Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 7 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter data and graphs. And the lessons we're going to cover today are interpret tables, interpret line plots, and create line plots. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 7 maths. The chapter is data and graphs. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is interpret tables. Okay, so basically we're going to learn how to read the data from tables, correct? So let's just start with the first example. Just listen to me carefully. The soccer coach is preparing for the upcoming season by seeing how many goals his team members scored last season. So here is a table that tells you about the goals of the teams scored last season. Got it? So here is the goal scored and here is the frequency, like zero goals scored zero times, one goal 13 times, two goal three times, and three goals 17 times. How many team members did not score a goal last season? Got it? So find the row of zero goals the last season and read the frequency. Got it? Because you need to see how many team members did not score a goal last season. Got it? So you need to see the zero goal. So zero goal scored by the frequency zero. That means zero team members did not score a goal last season. Got it? Okay, let's just see the next example. As part of a stuffed animal drive from the local children hospital, the students at Wells Elementary School record how much stuffed animals they have collected. So here is a table given that tells you about the number of stuffed animal and their frequency. Got it? How many students have at least two stuffed animals? Got it? So you need to see how many of these students have at least two. Got it? So at least two. You need to see how many of the students have at least two. Got it? Like minimum would be three and maximum would be any number. Got it? So you can start with 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got it? Minimum value is 3 and you can see the maximum value. So you have to add their frequencies 2, 6, 11, and 1. Got it? When you add them, it makes 20. That means 20 students have at least two stuffed animals. Got it? Okay, the next example is Maggie's Treats counted how many times its most frequent customers ate ice cream last month. How many customer ate ice cream fewer than two times? So fewer than two, you have two numbers, 1 and 0. They are fewer than 2. Got it? We are working on grade 7 maths. The chapter is data and graphs. And I'm on the very first lesson, that is interpret tables. So fewer than 2 means you have 0 and 1. So just add the frequencies of 0 and 1. 0 has the frequency 14 and 1 has the frequency 9. Just add so it makes 23. That means 23 customers ate ice cream fewer than 2 times. Got it? Are you on the lesson now? Grade 7 Maths. The chapter name is Data and Graphs. And here is the lesson name, that is Interpret Tables I'm working on. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay. A statistics lab required students to draw cards numbered between 1 and 6 and track the result. Got it? So here is the number of results. What number was drawn the fewest time? Got it? You need to see here is the number drawn and here is the frequency. So you just see the frequency, which is the lowest value. The lowest value is 0. And for which number it is, that means when they draw the cards, 2 never appears. Got it? So it would be for 2, that would be the fewest time. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Got it? You just have to understand how do we read data from the tables. Got it? Nothing difficult here. A researcher working on a cereal company surveyed people about their cereal consumption habits, eating cereal last week. So, how many people ate cereal fewer than 2 times? So, which numbers are fewer than 2? They are 1 and 0. Got it? So, just add the frequency of 0 and 1. So, it would be 5 plus 3, that would be 8. That means 8 people ate cereal fewer than 2 times. Got it? So, the correct option is 8. The Middletown Tourism Office researched how often people played miniature golf last summer. So here is a table that tells you about the people playing miniature golf last summer. How many people played how many people played mini golf exactly twice last summer? Got it? So you are given the value, time played, and frequency. So you need to see how 2 times, how many people played exactly 2 times. So here is the frequency for exactly 2 times. That would be 8. That means 8 people play mini golf exactly twice last summer. Got it? Correct option is 8. Okay, employees at Rivers Movies track the number of movies that customers rented last month. How many customers rented a movie more than 2 times? Got it? So just look at the values that are more than 2. So more than 2, you have two values, 3 and 4. Got it? So just look at their frequencies and add them. Hey, 1 and 16. So 1 plus 16 makes, yes, that would be 17. Got it? So the correct option is 17. Okay, an office manager counts the number of letters sent by each of her company's employees each week. How many employees are there in all? You have to calculate the total employee. Got it? So here is the letter mail and how many, these are the basically employees. You just have to add up all the values. Got it? Let me add 9 plus 6, 15, 8, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 and 7 makes 6. That would be 86. Got it? That means the total employees in the company are 86. Got it? You just have to add all the frequency values. Okay, as part of a statistics lesson, Mrs. Russell asked her students how many jackets they own. How many students own fewer than 5 jackets? So here is the number of jackets. Got it? So fewer than 5, the numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? So just add all the frequencies that are for 4 until 0. Got it? So 12, 18, and 30, 36, and 36 and 45 it is. That means 45 people has fewer jackets fewer than 5. Got it? Just understand the question and look at the table. Got it? As part of a stuffed animal drive for the local children hospital, the students at Wells Elementary School record have many stuffed animal they have collected. How many students have at least 2 stuffed animal? That means the minimum value would be 2, maximum value could be any. Got it? So just add the value starting from 0 until 5. So 6 and 2, 8 and 1, 9 and 11 plus 9 makes 20. That means the total values are 20. Got it? Okay, the next one is a school interested in expanding its playground counted the number of times the student went down the slide during recess. Here is the number of times and here is the frequency. How many students went down the slide more than two times? Got it? So more than two, you have two values, 3 and 4. Just add their frequencies. It would be 15 plus 4, that would be 19. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is interpret line plots. So let's just start with the next lesson. We're going to learn how to interpret line plots. Got it? So let's just start with the example. Just listen to me carefully. A food manufacturer surveyed consumers about their macaroni and cheese consumption. Eating macaroni and cheese last month. That is the line plot. Got it? How many people ate macaroni and cheese exactly three times last month? So here is the time eaten. Got it? 0, 1, 2. So three times, just two people ate three times. Got it? So that means the correct option is to two people ate macaroni and cheese exactly two times last month. Got it? Okay, the next one is the members of the science club shared how many times they had been to the zoo last year. Here is the line plot that tells you about the trips to the zoo last year. Got it? How many members are there in all? You have to calculate the total members. So let's just see 1, 2, 3, and 6, and 3, 6, and 10. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That means the total members are 32. Got it? You just have to count all the members. So the total members are 32. Got it? Okay, the total members are 32. If you have any question related to line plots or tables, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Got it? Okay, the next one is a reporter counted the number of masks local artist made for this year. For this year masquerade ball, how many artists made fewer than three masks? So which values are fewer than three? Fewer than three are two and one. Got it? So just add and calculate the values between two and one. For two, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means just five people. Got it? So the correct option is five. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay. The members of the science club shared how many times they had been to the zoo last year. Got it? That's the one we did on tutorial, I think. Okay, so here is the number of trip to the zoo last year. How many members are there in all? I think that would be 32. Got it? Because I calculated the members. So I remember that would be 32. Got it? Let's see. Yes, they are 32. Okay. The Washington Tourism Office researched how often people played miniature golf last summer. How many people played mini golf more than one time? So more than one, you have two values. They are 2 and 3. Got it? So just add up the values 2 and 3. They have 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 makes 7. That means 7 people played mini golf more than one time. Got it? So the correct option is 7. Okay, while compiling photos of an album, Dakota noted the number of photographs taken by each of her friends and family. How many people took fewer than three photographs? Got it? So fewer than three, you have two, zero, one, and 2. Just add the frequency in front of zero, 1, and 2. Got it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means you just have to add up all the frequency in front of zero, 1, 2. So when you add it makes 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. The Summerfield Middle School fundraising committee found out how many sweatshirts students already had in order to decide whether to sell sweatshirts for a fundraiser. How many students in class have exactly one sweatshirt? Got it? So just look at the frequency of the one. It would be one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I think yes, that would be eight. The correct option is eight. Okay, Anna's Crafts is interested in offering a scarf knitting class. So the store considers how many scarves people already own. How many people have at least one scarf? Got it? Least value would be one, and most value could be any. Got it? So you have to add all the frequencies starting from 1 until 6. Got it? So I think it would be 36. Just guessing the answer. 1, 6, 5, 12. I think that would be 36. Got it? So the correct option is 36. Okay, for a study on American psychology, people were pooled about which number between 1 and 5 they like most and why. What number was said most times? So you just look at the frequencies and which number has the highest frequency. Just 3 has the higher frequency. Got it? That means the number that said most time is 3. Got it? So it would be 3. Okay, students at Hillsdale Middle School wrote and submitted poems for a district-wide writing contest. How many students are there in all? You need to calculate the total students, so just add up all the values. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that would be 21. That means the total students are 21. Got it, everyone? Okay, sorry, I forgot to click on the OK button. Okay, a food manufacturer surveyed consumers about their macaroni and cheese consumption. How many people ate macaroni and cheese exactly 3 times last month? So, which is the correct option? You have to look for add for the frequency that is in front of 3. Got it? So it would be 2. Got it? That means just 2 people ate macaroni and frequency exactly 3 times. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Okay, so the next question is very good. Okay, now I'm just looking at the answers you send me in the chat. Got it? I'm not going to calculate. Okay, I am tired of calculations. A researcher asked people how many letters they had written in the past year and recorded the results. How many people wrote more than 3 letters? So, more than 3, you have just one value 4. And what is the frequency of 4? Yes, that would be just 2. Got it? 4? No, 2. You have to look at the frequency of 4. So, the frequency of 4 is 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is a game show program recorded the score of its contestants. What score did the fewest people receive? So, which is the correct option? Which is the fewest score? Yes, that would be 9. Got it? Because 9 is scored by the 0 people. So, that 9 is the fewest people receive. Got it? Okay, a publisher invited authors to write stories of a special anthology. How many authors wrote at least three stories? At least mean minimum value would be three, maximum value can be any. Got it? So you have to add up the frequencies of 3, 4, and 5. So it would be 15. The correct option is 15. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So let me just move on to the next lesson. So basically, working on the graphs is very easy. You just have to understand how to read the values from the graphs, tables, and interpret them. So let's just start with the next lesson, that is create line plots. So we have learned how to interpret values from the line plots. Now we're going to see how to draw the line plots. Got it? Okay, during a lab exercise, students in Professor Powell's class rolled a six-sided die and recorded these results. Use the data in the tally chart to complete the line plot below. Got it? So here is the tally chart, and use the data in tally chart to complete the plot below. So you are given a tally chart, you have to draw the line plot. Basically, how do we make the line plots? You have to look there, the number ruled, that would be the frequency. For one, the frequencies you have to calculate these, a complete line, like four line like this and one line on the cross, it makes five. So just add 5 plus 4 is 9. So the frequency for 1 is 9, for 2 it is 7, for 3 it is 8, for 4 it is 5, for 5 it is 1, and for 6 it is 10. So you just have to plot the 10 marks. Like for 1 it is 9, I think you have to make 9 cross. For 2 it is 7, so you have to plot the 7 cross in front of 2. Got it? Same thing you have to do with the rest of the values. So just read the table and plot the values on the graph. Got it? Okay. Okay, let's just start with the test question. Okay, a parent volunteer counted the number of boxes sold by each student participating in cookie fundraiser. Use the data in a tally chart to complete the line plot below. Got it? So for 1, the number of students are 4. For 2 block boxes sold by 1 student, 3 boxes are sold by the 9 student, 4 by 3, and 5 by 6 students. Got it? So just look at the options, which is the correct option. Got it? You have one of the line is, I think, missing. Click to the axis to create a column. Click to the number below. What you have to do, but basically complete the line plot. The values are 4, 1, 9, 3, and 6. 4, 4, 1, 3, 4, 9, 3, and 6. So option number 1 is the correct option. Just count all the values according to the table. Got it? On the table in front of 1, you have 4, 1, 9, 3, and 6. So I just matched all the values. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, Karen, a fitness counselor, counted the number of pull ups completed by each bootcamp participant. Use the data in the tally chart to complete the line plot below. So the values are 3, 5, 9, 8. Got it? So 3, 5, 9, 8. That this isn't the correct option. Got it? Because for 0 it would be 3. Here is the one. 3, 5, 9, and 8. You can calculate, count the cross. Got it? I know the second option is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is, by working as a summer camp counselor, Kenneth monitored how many candy necklaces each child make. Use the data in the table to complete the line plot below. Got it? So here is the table. The values are 82415. Got it? 82415. Probably this would be the correct option. I just count the smaller values. So here 241. So that is the correct option. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Professor Carlson compiled the scores for the last quiz. Use the data in the table to complete the line plot below. So the values are 10, 4, 1, 7, 3, 5. Got it? Just see which is the correct option. 10, 4, 1, 7, 3, 5. Hmm. 10, 4, 1, 7, 3, 5. Yes, option number one is the correct option. The shop teacher, Mr. Baldwin, wrote down how many picture frames the students made last week. Use the data in the tally chart to complete the line plot below. So the values are 7169410 716 okay, 71694 I think that would be the correct option. Got it? There are so many values. Okay, that isn't the correct option. Got it? I selected the wrong option. That would be the correct option. Got it? So second option is the correct option. Got it? During a lab exercise, students in Professor Powell's class rolled a six-sided die and recorded the result. Use the data in the tally chart to complete the line plot below. So it would be 9, 2, 8, 5, 1, 10. 9, 2, option number 9785. 978, that would be the correct option. Got it? Because here you can see, okay, no. Yes, here you can see 5 and 1. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the Windain Ski Resort asked its guests how many times they were sledding last winter. Use the render table to complete the line plot below. 1792 10. That is the correct option. Got it? Because for 5 it would be 10. Got it? So second option is the correct option. Got it, everyone? If you have any question related to the graph, you can ask. We're done with the test. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 7 maths. We were working on grade 7 maths, and we're working on the chapter data and graphs. The lessons we have covered today are interpret tables, interpret line plots, create line plots. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Yes, what I do in 15 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. I will explain. Any related to any lesson, anything from grade 7. You can ask question, I will explain. You can ask question, I will explain. Okay, please ask question. Okay, then can I leave? Or you want to sit me till 45 minutes? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.